In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily copy and paste the file path of your spreadsheet from within Excel. To do this, all you have to do is first make sure your file is saved somewhere. Then, once it is, go to File, Info, and from here there are a couple different options: copy path or copy local path. Copy path is best if you are working in a spreadsheet that saves to some sort of a shared drive, like a SharePoint, for example. And copy local path is best if you are working with a document that is saved on your computer. In this example, it is going to pull both the same path, but just be mindful there is a little bit of a difference between the two. So I can just click on copy path, and now it's my clipboard, and I can just do Control V. Now here's the path of the file. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.